Okay, so continue from the previous video. Okay, ada gangguan telefon sekejap tadi. Okay, so the second thing that I said before is you gather your information, right? Input and output. Okay, so it can use any alphabet actually. Okay, can be UF, can be T. So the keyword here that you need to know is on the word input and output. Which is the input, which one is your output? Okay, because of kalau you refer tadi saya tulis, I mean from the previous video I write S over Fs, right? Okay, S over F, which is S is the output and F is the input. But if you can see from this segment or from this question, they have no S, but it gives to you Y. Okay, Y, right? So that's the thing that I want to highlight here. Maksudnya in the question it can be any alphabet. The main thing here is the word. Which one is the input? Which one is the output? Okay, get it? Alright. So from this question, so you need, okay, so the first one is you need to find the HS or your transfer function. So your transfer function is given by output over input. Okay, what is your output? What is your output here? Okay, what is your output? Your output must be Y S. Okay, because this is Y is your F is the input, Y is the output. So YS, not YT, YS. But you use the alphabet Y. Okay, over your input here is FT, right? So FS. Okay, HS equal to output over input, and your output is Y, your input is F. So this is the formula. Okay, so leave it first. Okay, biarkan dulu benda ni ataupun ignore first this one. Okay, IV first. Okay, now you proceed with the step 1, step 2 and this step 3. Until step 5. Okay, step 1 say that you need to rewrite the equation in terms of Laplace transform. So this is your equation. Okay, so you just write. So y double prime plus 4y prime plus 20y equal to ft. Okay, so and then bracket. Okay, pecahkan. Okay, 20 Laplace transform for y, sorry, this one plus kan, plus, okay, plus 20 Laplace transform for y equal to Laplace transform for ft. Alright, okay, so now by using the what we call the differential equation punya Laplace transform lah. Okay, you need to replace kan, you need to replace. Okay, so which one Okay, this one saya ambil dulu. Okay, this one. This one is F prime, F double prime, F triple prime. Okay, so for those yang tengah tengok video ni, so you need to watch the previous video in the previous week. Okay, you cannot answer this question kalau you tak tengok lagi video sebelum ni. Alright, okay. So now what we know, what we need to do is you need to replace each of it. Okay, kita akan replace lah. So Ly double prime we will S square y s minus s y0 minus y prime 0. Okay, I just look at here. Okay, so just look at here. Okay, plus 4. Okay, y prime is s y s minus y0, and then plus 20 Laplace transform of y will be y s equal to Laplace transform of ft will be fs. Okay, alright. So okay, kalau sebelum tu you can see first, because they have if you refer to the steps, they have step 2, right? Just now I said step 2 for transfer function, eliminate it. I mean ignore the step 2. So what we can do for the initial condition here, this is the initial condition, y0, y prime 0, y0. What we should do actually, you will ignore all this. because we ignore step 2, right? So they have no numbers that we can substitute here. So what we need to do, we ignore all this initial condition. So ignore mean here it will become 0. Okay, it becomes 0 lah. Okay, right? So what we left here, so s square ys plus 4s ys plus 20 ys equal to fs. Okay, so similar, what we do next is you need to factorize your, and then you make it your ys as a subject. So we will get this equation. Ys, in the bracket we have s squared plus 4s plus 20, and it's equal to fs. And just now I said that hs is equal to what? Ys over fs, right? So how to get your hs from this? You already have your ys, you already have your fs. So how to get your hs? So what we need to do is you just move this side to this side or this side to this side. It's up to you, but you need to have ys over fs. So okay, if you can see here, ys at the left hand side, okay, at the left hand side, and fs at the right hand side. So we need to bring fs to this side. So it will become, when we bring fs to this side, so we will already get ys over fs, and at this side it's already become 1, right? Okay, 1. So for this one, you need to bring to this side. Okay, this one you bring to this side. Good. So it will be so I mean we will get s squared plus 4s plus 20, and this is your hs. Okay, hs is equal to 1 over s squared plus 4s plus 20. Okay, so this is how to find hs. I mean for hs, they have no calculation that you will calculate. Tak ada pun calculation berlaku. So you just substitute and then ignore ataupun replace with 0, and then rearrange the equation to make it hs over to make it ys over fs, and you already get your hs. So this is your transfer function. Okay, transfer function. So the next one is to find the impulse response. So impulse response is ht. So how to get ht from hs? You need to find the, what we call, you need to find the inverse. Okay, this is inverse. So I don't want to expand more or elaborate more on this one because you already learned this inverse. So I leave it to you to solve this one. I mean to find the impulse response function. Okay, so I give you the answer, the final answer for this one, which is the impulse response function is 1 over 4 e power of negative 2t sine 4t. Okay, I repeat, this is your transfer function, this is your impulse response function. And how to get this, I leave it to you. Okay, you can refer to the previous video and so on to get this answer. Alright, okay class, so we have finished chapter 3. Okay, so for those yang baru tengok, mungkin dia terus tengok chapter ni, I mean week, sekarang week berapa saya upload, you need to patah balik, patah balik ya, tengok, you need to start from week 5 video. Okay, week 5 punya, you learn in week 5, okay. And each of it I already give the tutorial, so I hope you can answer your tutorial. Okay, because since we have no virtual, we have no face-to-face class, so now it's depends on you. Kalau you study, you dapat. Kalau you tak study, you tak dapat. Okay. Right, for those yang dah buat tutorial, thank you so much because do have an effort to do that. Okay, thank you. And hope I can see you soon. Okay, but for now we will see in virtually in the video. So till next video. Okay, bye.